Paul? Yeah. Power of attorney.
Yeah.
You know, of all the district court cases that I've been named in as the defendant,
Yes.
I haven't actually committed any crimes.
Yes.
But you didn't want to admit the evidence,
Yes.
and you used your power of attorney as judges to order me to have mental health evaluations. Then there's the superior court cases that I was named in.
Yes.
See, this is Budnick Paul.
Yeah.
Budnick Paul C.
Yeah.
Budnick Paul Chad. Ooch. Budnick Paul Chad.
Yes.
Budnick Paul Chad. Ooch. And Budnick Paul Chad.
Yes.
There's four Paul Chads, one Paul C, and one Paul. Now, this is Clark County District Court,
Yes.
and that started back in 1/8 of 2010.
Yes.
You dismissed the case, and then somebody motioned the court
Yes.
when we were going through a divorce,
Right.
and it was business related because oh, what about January 4th of 2011? That was, what was that? January 4th of 2011.
Yeah.
Oh, Spokane County.
Yes.
Now let's see, we were living on Guam on January 4th of 2011 because we moved there in September,
Yes.
August of 2010. And I don't remember getting notice in the state of jurisdiction.
Yes.
Now, a lot of these Superior Court judges, they say, well, he ran away to Guam. But there's something about motioning a court in the jurisdiction of the respondent.
Yes.
This is obviously a civil court matter where my wife was named as the E-Tux. Yeah. Spokane County District Court. Oh. And then Spokane County Municipal Court. Ouch. 813 of 1990.
Yes.
Now, 813 of 19, I would have been 20 years old. You know, I have no idea what that is.
Yes.
It's nice that they keep it on there.
Yes.
20 years old. I don't remember getting arrested or going to jail at any time when 20 years old. No. Wasn't the speeding ticket when I was 16?
No.
It must be something.
Yes.
I wasn't married then.
No.
I have no idea what that is. It was, well, I'm 49 now.
Yeah.
It was 29 years ago
Yes.
that I was named as a defendant in the Spokane Municipal Court. Could have been a traffic ticket.
Yes.
Maybe speeding. You know how they keep these court records for decades.
Yes.
Now, 5/29 of 2012.
Yes.
Um, May 29th.
Yes.
Clallam County District Court.
Yes.
Budnick Paul Chad. Let's see what happened on the 29th of. Oh, May 29th, I was arraigned
Yeah.
for the false accusation of violating your fraudulent protection order
Yes.
that has been issued in a civil court hearing.
Right.
Where I was a resident of Guam.
Yes.
My wife didn't have jurisdiction to motion the court.
Yes.
And you had no jurisdiction to obligate me to have a mental health evaluation. Oh, you're getting sued for that one. Ouch. And you're getting sued for this petitioning court for dissolution of marriage. Yes. Without the stipulation and order.
Ouch.
And without the durable power of attorney motioning the court in the United Nations. Now, that one's going to be a big lawsuit, considering the fraud.
Yeah.
I know what the thought was.
Yes.
I'm going to petition the court and have Paul arrested 3 days later for calling Healthy Families of Clallam County.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
We're going to get him found guilty for violating the restraint provisions of the protection order that you issued in 2011.
Yes.
Where neither Paul nor Heidi were actual residents of the state of Washington. You had no jurisdiction to issue it because the durable power of attorney right now, that's going to be an expensive one. Ouch. Now, there's a huge amount of fraud involved in that because I tried to contact Healthy Families of Clallam County about the stipulation and order.
Yes.
And the recommendations of the therapist, of the family counsel.
Yes. Yes.
Wayne's actual recommendation, known as reconciliation.
Yeah.
And then there's the January 4th of 2016. Do you remember that one?
Yes.
Where my wife said I was in Sequim, Washington, pooch, but I was actually on the bus that morning. So the police are using durable power of attorney
Yes.
to make up fraudulent traffic citations. Yes. So as to misprison all of their dishonest service. Yes. To the community. I mean, it could be right now that the defrauding of the American population